Hydrogen, Wind, and Wood Energy. Chapter 1. A Hydrogen Energy Guide. Hydrogen Energy Info. Hydrogen is in water and can be easily extracted with solar power. Hydrogen is found in abundance at the bottom of the ocean in frozen gas hydrates. Hydrogen is in natural gas and the byproducts of microbial activity. Through fuel cell technology, hydrogen can be converted to electricity with no pollution. At the bottom of the colder regions of the world's oceans, gas hydrates are frozen ice-like crystals of frozen hydrogen. They're everywhere in cold water. The technology exists to convert these hydrates into usable hydrogen gas by allowing them to melt at normal atmospheric pressure. Hydrogen is renewable. Converting hydrogen gas to electricity in fuel cells just alters the state of the hydrogen. Hydrogen molecules can be used over and over again. Solar panel electrodes immersed in water cause the water to give off hydrogen gas which can be fed into a fuel cell. The byproduct is water. They can use hydrogen to power anything from cars to power plants. nationalgeographic.com/geography/action/ga45.html. Chapter 2. A Wind Power Guide. The American Wind Energy Association. American Wind Energy Association. 122C St. N.W. 4th FL. Washington, D.C. 20001. 202-383-2520. Fax, 202-383-2505. AW.org. Newsletter. Wind energy websites. Look up number 621.45 at the library for books on wind power. Go to your local library or weather bureau for maps on wind speed to determine if it's feasible in your area. Wind should blow more than 10 miles per hour on a regular basis. Wind turbines are typically large devices only suitable for a large lot in a rural area, but there are small ones that attach to houses. eair.energy.gov/wind-hydro/wind-powering-america/wind_maps.asp, wind conditions by state. abundanttree.com, an expert says it's the best turbine. aw.org/FAQ, wind energy FAQs. aw.org/pub/factsheets.html, wind energy fact sheets. Bergy.com. eair.energy.gov/re/wind. eair.energy.gov/wind and hydro, wind and hydropower technologies. energy.ca.gov/wind/overview.html, overview of wind energy. kawartha.com/windmills. quia.org, Kern Wind Energy Association. livescience.com/environment/weather_science.html, all about wind and rain. nrel.gov/learning/re_wind.html, wind energy basics. nrel.gov/research/wind/wind.html. otherpower.com. powerofwind.com, power of wind. rredc.nrel.gov/wind/pub/atlas/maps.html, wind energy maps/tables. sandia.gov/wind, wind energy technology. scotianwindfields.org, 888-798-5085, Nova Scotia Wind Energy. solarwindworks.com. solstice.crest.org. ucsusa.org/clean_energy/renewable_energy_basics/how-wind-energy-works.html, how wind energy works. utah.edu/windhome.html. windenergy.com, they sell wind generators for the home. windmillpower.com. windmillworld.com. windpower.org. windpowermonthly.com. windpowertothepeople.info. windturbine.net. wind-watch.org. wpm.co.nz. Wind power products for sale. absak.com. altenergywstore.com. baywinds.com. bergy.com. daystarenergysystems.com. energy-water.net.cn ergoweb.com solar-electric.com solarwindworks.com 877-682-4503 solstice.crest.org Swaziland.com, India utilityfree.com vestas.com, Denmark webpage.com/wpt windenergy.com windmillpower.com windstreampower.com bike-like generator wind-sun.com zaltec.com jademountain.com 800-442-1972 Chapter 3 A Wood Heat Guide Wood Heat Info woodheat.org homesafe.com Fireplaces, wood-burning stove, and chimneys chimney.com chimneypot.net chimneys.com cleanyhourchimney.com iamcountryside.com hearth.com woodstove.com woodstoves.com grass/straw or corn in wood stoves. Dried grass is good fuel for a wood stove or wood furnace. It's cheaper than wood if you are buying hay bales or grass pellets and free if you use your own. There are 3 types of grass fuel. 1. The grass you collect when you mow your lawn. Put it in a pile outside to dry it, then burn it in the winter. 2. Buy bales of hay or create them if you own a farm and a tractor. Burn them in the wood stove in the winter. 3. There is a product called grass pellets which are not very popular in North America but popular in Europe. Grass is cut like hay, then compressed into a log shape by a machine. These grass pellets are then burned like a wood log. It's much cheaper and it's an annual renewable resource, unlike trees which take much longer to grow. Corn stoves for sale. badlandcornstove.com barbecues.com bobvila.com clickstoves.com cornenergysystems.com cornflame.net en.wikipedia.org/wiki/corn_pellet_stoves_and_furnaces enchantedfireside.com forceandstoves.com goldenheatstoves.com Muskegon heartshearth.com heat4less.com homeclick.com hrgcornfurnaces.com kitchen-kitchens.com/corn-stove.html countrycornstoves.com northerntool.com/promotions/cornstove/faqs.htm pinnaclestove.com rosebudspalace.com scspopcorn.com/kettle-corn/kettle-stove-2575-1115.htm snowflame.com stovesenspa.com 888-340-7727 stoves-discount.com/building-a-corn-stove wagtech-tool.com/tools/corn-stove-accessories.html wood-pellet-stove.com/corn-stove.htm Wood Pellet Stoves Wilmington, Massachusetts.com woodsedge.us/product/bixby.aspx